Hey there, today we will learn how to say that we want something. Can you express what you want? If not, stay to end of the video and learn. Let's begin. Would you like an aubergine, an eggplant? Yes, please. I like eggplants, aubergines. Would you like zucchini? No, thank you, I don't like zucchini. Would you like vegetable stew? No, thank you, I don't like stew. Would you like pasta? Yes, please, I like pasta. Would you like cabbage? No, thank you, I don't like cabbage. Let's have fish. Yes, I like fish. Let's have vegetable salad. Okay, I like vegetable salad. Let's have eggs. No, I don't like eggs. Let's have a sandwich. I don't eat sandwiches. Let's have soup. Yes, I like soup. It's very healthy. Let's have pizza. Pizza is junk food. I don't eat unhealthy food. Let's have some cold beer after dinner. Okay, I like beer. Let's have ice cream after lunch. Yummy. Yes, please. Let's have French fries for breakfast. No, thank you, it's not healthy. Now, it's your turn. Ask and answer, yes, please, or no, thank you. Did you say let's have some chocolate? It's correct. Did you say let's have some candies? It's correct. Did you say let's have some cake? It's correct. Did you say let's have some watermelon? It's correct. Did you say let's have some biscuits? It's correct. Now, say I would like in the picture you see on the screen. Did you say I would like pizza? That's correct. Did you say I would like pumpkin? That's correct. Did you say I would like watermelon? That's correct. Did you say I would like pineapple? That's correct. Did you say I would like mango? That's correct. Did you say I would like cucumbers? That's correct. Did you say I would like tomatoes? That's correct. Did you say I would like melon? That's correct. Did you say I would like raspberries? That's correct. Did you say I would like fish? That's correct. Did you say I would like chicken nuggets? That's correct. Did you say I would like bananas? That's correct. Did you say I would like apples? That's correct. Did you say I would like lemons? That's correct. Hey, you've learned a lot today. You were insane. Keep learning with our educational videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.